This 5-minute solution will show you how to stop sharing your post stories from Instagram to Facebook. So if you don't want to share your Instagram post and story to Facebook, follow this simple step to stop this. Open your Instagram, open your profile, tap on this 3-line icon at the top right, settings and privacy, account center, connected experiences, sharing across profiles, share from, select your Instagram profile, and here you will see these two options, your Instagram story and your Instagram post. So to stop sharing your Instagram post and story to Facebook, all you have to need is just disable these two options. And after doing this, your Instagram post and stories won't share to your Facebook. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.